We are living in a dramatically changing world now. And what has happened is there's a new core idea. The old world said that you have to study hard, you have to get a degree, get a job, work for 40 years and finally retire. That's not relevant anymore. The new world is saying that technology has changed, industries are disappearing, careers evolve, and AI is disrupting the normal. Opportunities have shifted, and the people who thrive today is those who can create. Simply put, the rules have changed. Our parents were preparing for stability. We have to prepare for a world of change. In this world, the biggest risk isn't failing. The risk is waiting. Waiting for opportunity, waiting for employment, waiting for permission, and waiting for the perfect plan. The future doesn't reward people who wait. It rewards people who build. So I want to start by changing the question. We should stop asking, what job will I get? But the new question should be, what value can I create? The people who can answer that question will always have opportunities. So I want to welcome you to the Co-Creators program. This world will reward people who can solve problems, build solutions, think creatively, work with technology, lead people, create value. This is what our Co-Creators program develops. This program is built on 5 modules: becoming a co-creator, being an entrepreneur, an AI module, an alignment profile, and a workplace preparation module. But I don't want to get stuck on the content. I want to explain to you what capabilities you will develop over the next few months. Firstly, this program is going to teach you how to think like a creator. Most people see problems. Creators see opportunities. You will learn to spot opportunities, think differently, create solutions, build systems, and generate value. The second capability is tied with entrepreneurship. It's about building things that will matter. Business is not just about making money, it's about solving problems. In this course, you will learn how to generate ideas, how to build a business. You'll learn about branding, sales, marketing, operations, leverage, scaling, and you will build something real. The third capability is about mastering the new tools. AI isn't going anywhere, and AI isn't replacing people. People using AI is replacing people that won't. Participants will learn AI communication, productivity, creativity, business integration, and AI building. And the goal is to become technologically capable. The fourth capability is you will become professionally dangerous. Now let me explain. That does not mean you will become a danger to people. You will become dangerous to problems. In this course, you will learn how to communicate, how to lead, how to think strategically, work with others, manage responsibility, create trust, and become indispensable in the workplace. The final capability is to become resilient. The truth is that building a future is hard. Business is hard, university is hard, life is hard. But in this course, you will learn how to handle setbacks, navigate conflict, stay disciplined, adapt to change, lead through uncertainty, and keep moving forward. I want to leave you with a picture. Imagine being able to start a business, lead a project, use AI effectively, build a personal brand, solve workplace problems, create opportunities, recover from failure, adapt to change, all in the span of 10 months. This isn't one career path, it is preparation for many. But the Co-Creators program will teach you to build your future, build your opportunities, your skills, your network, your confidence, build a potential business, and build a lasting impact. Our ultimate goal at Co-Creators is to get young people from asking, what if nobody gives me an opportunity, to asking, what opportunity can I create? This is a shift from independence to initiative, from uncertainty to capability, and from waiting to building. After this 10 months, you won't just leave with knowledge, but you will leave with the ability and capability to think creatively, solve problems, work with the future, work with AI, build businesses, lead people, handle adversity, create opportunities, navigate change, and you will be set to craft your own future. This world does not need any more passive participants. What it needs is individuals who can create businesses, create solutions, create communities, create opportunities, create hope, and create value. The Co-Creators program, partnered with the Discipleship and Development program, can only lead to young individuals who are healed, capable, and willing to make a difference.